stop drinking, you don't have those tools. You don't have the things that you need because you've built everything around alcohol. Your whole life revolves around getting pissed. And I see it today, like people, it's like this thing that if it's part of your life, it's part of your life. And if it's not, it's not. Like, I don't drink now. So in some ways, I'm a little bit disconnected from that world. But at the same time, I understand the world. I understand where people are coming from, and I understand how they live their life and how they think. Because that was my life, that was my thinking, and that was how I lived my life.